Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we are going to make a song list. So let's open up server script service, censor the script. Oh, actually we need to get the songs. So let's just get a folder so we can put the songs in there. And let's go to toolbox. And let's just choose random songs here. It's fine. Alright, so we chose our random songs. Spin underneath here. And we have to just spread it out. So let's just spread these songs in the folder. And let's call this folder, this is the lobby music. Okay? And you could have like different kinds of music. And we're going to put this inside of sound service. So in sound service, this is where you would keep all your sounds. You could even put it on the server client side as well. If you wanted client music, you could just call it from sound service. And like this service is really cool because you can have other folders here too. Like this can be map 1 music, stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. But we're just gonna need lobby music. So let's go inside of our script. Let's call this control lobby music. Why not? And we'll go inside this script. Let's pull this back. And we don't need properties anymore. So inside of this script, we're gonna need to require the lobby music. So let's get lobby music equals game dot sound service dot lobby music. And you don't need to require or get the service of sound service if it's in this tab. Because what most people do, they will do like this is what it would look like for them. Equals game get service sound service. You do not have to do this. Like it's not necessary because sound service is in the tab. Unless if you rename this to like another name, then you would change it. Okay, so yeah, just to get that out of the way, and then we'll need a song list table, and then we'll do squiggly brackets just like that, and we can zoom this even more. So let's zoom this in even more to just make it more better for you guys. So we have a squiggly bracket table called song list, which is just a separate table. Now we're going to insert all the songs into this song list, and let's just do this. So we're going to get the song for I song in pairs and I pairs, because I pairs is good in this scenario. So then we get the lobby music, get children, do. So this is basically just gonna go through this entire folder right here and gets all the children in this folder. So we're grabbing all of these guys right now, and all these guys are called song. So this is song right here. So then we do table dot insert, then we get the song list because the song list is the first, then we get the index, which is the number position. So right here we'll do index because it's better to name it index, and then we'll do index, and then we do the value, which is the song. This is the value that we want to insert. So index is just the position in the table, and that's like going down this list. So this would probably be 1, this would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And yeah, this is basically just going to insert it. So now we need to make a while true do loop. Okay, and in this loop we have to randomly choose a song. So let's do local rand song equals math.random. Actually, we do lobby music and then brackets math.random. Then we get the number 1 because we just want one song, and then the number of lobby music. Oh, I mean song list. My bad. This should be song list. song list. My bad, guys. So just get the song list, and then we're going to randomly choose from the song list. And why did I ask for a table that is separate from lobby music? Pretty much we're going to take away songs after we listen to them, so we know that we already listened to that song. So that's what we're going to do. And so we got the song, we can play it right here. So we can do random song equals play. And now, since it's a while loop, this is gonna crash. So we have to make sure that we wait for the song. So we do random song dot ended equals wait. And this is just gonna wait till the song ends. So play the song, play song, and then wait for song to end. And that's what that is gonna do. And now we need to remove it from the song list. So how do we remove this from the song list? Pretty much we do table dot remove, and then we get the song. Okay, well, we get the song list, so we do song list because we need to know what the table is. Then we get the numbered position, but we do not know what the numbered position is for these songs because they can be anywhere in the table. So what we do here is we do table.find. Table.find, then we get the table again, song list, and then the item, which is the random song. So this is going to look inside to see if it finds the song, and no doubt it will find the song because we got it all by inserting it. So if it finds the random song, which it should, then it will remove it. So this basically remove from table, move from song table. Song list. Just do long song list. You know that that's a table. So this is just gonna move it, and then now we have to restore it. So how do we restore it when it gets to 0? So if this is gonna work, every time it runs down, it's gonna keep on removing, but now we have to restore it. So when it gets to 0, so we have to check if the song list has 0 songs in it. So we do if song list, well, number of song list. So we do hashtag song list equals 0. Then okay, maybe I shouldn't zoom in this much. Let me zoom out a bit. So we zoomed out a bit. We need to refill the table. So we're going to refill the table if the song list is 0. And the song list is 0, the number of items in the table is 0 when the list is empty. So this basically means, we'll add it right here. If song list is empty. So if the song list has nothing in it, refill the table. And this is going to run the first time when the game starts because we don't have any songs in the table. Then we're going to choose a random song. So choose random song. So choose random song. Play the song. Wait for the song to end. Then remove it from the table. So if you run the game right now, this is going to work. Just make sure everything's working. Yeah, okay. So if you run this, this is supposed to work. If it doesn't, it will give us an error, and we can look at what we did wrong. Okay, that must be pretty loud for you guys. It's pretty loud for me. I don't know how to. I can lower my volume. So yeah, that's that makes us choose a random song, and then when the song ends, it will remove it from the table. So let's just test it. Let's test when the song is. So let's just do wait 5, then random song equals stop. So we're just gonna make the song play for 5 seconds, or maybe 3 seconds, because it might be loud. And then we'll see if it chooses the next song randomly. We'll see how that works. Okay, so it chose a random song. and then it's gonna refill it. It's gonna refill the table when it gets to 0, just like how it began. So now let's just return this back to normal. Okay, so we returned it back to normal.